What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode. We're right here along the shore, along the banks. We're about to do some perch jerking with these little bitty artificial grubs. We're about to see what we can do. We're trying to catch some perch for the bass pond. So hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, help us out on YouTube growing. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We need a couple of more subscribers and we'll be there. Whoever comments and gets the most likes in this video is gonna win a free pack. These little baits right here, these little grubs, all right? You're gonna win a free pack of these. All you gotta do is comment and get the most likes on your comment and you're gonna get a free pack. If you get 10 likes, you get 10 packs. If you get 1,000 likes on your comment, you get 1,000 packs. Let's see how many likes you could get. Got one. We got one. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the cooler. See if I can get some water without falling in. Let's get them in. Nice little one. Nice little perch. There he goes. So we got one right here by the bridge. We got one. So we're back at the house. We only got one little perch. Got one little perch. And we're gonna let him go. We're gonna let him go in the pond. Gorgeous though, look how pretty that thing is. Red. It's got some red. He's dark. Gorgeous little bat. Gorgeous little perch. I was gonna say bass. Talked to my buddy and he told me where to go fishing. So we're gonna meet up with him tomorrow. So let's go see what we can do tomorrow. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, day 2 and we are at my boy's place, Crab Factory. On the back side is the canal. He let me know, he was like, dude, you want to catch some perch? Come to my place. So here we are, we're at his place. I'm gonna get the gear. I got the ice chest and I got my little live well. We're gonna get the little live well, we're gonna bring it in the back. And sneak little clip, I went back there just to test it out before I got the camera. Let's get geared up and let's go fishing. So here we are, we're right here. And just gonna drop the bait right here. Fishing with some artificial. Oh look, right off the back. Right off the back. Right off the back, we got him. We got him. Awesome. Right off the back. All right. Oh, no, 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 no. Right. We gotta add some more water in there. Uno más. All right, so we're trying with the little grub, artificial grub. We're gonna swap it out. Swap out with one of these lay heads and we're gonna use some live worms. I picked up some live worms. Let's get that live worm now. Where you at? Oh, he's moving. Oh yeah. Let's get you on this hook right here. See what we could do. Let's Live bait's one of the best ones. Oh, we just had blow up right there. Let's see what we could do. Live bait right here. Test one, live bait. Oh, already. Got him. Live bait. Look how, oh, can't let him go. Look how gorgeous. Man, look how gorgeous this one is. Freaking gorgeous. That live bait. That's all they want. Oh, we had something big. What was that? It took the hook. Oh my God. It popped the string. That could have been a bass, y'all. Right. Let's get another piece of worm. Dude. Oh, what we got? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a monster. Oh my God, look how big this one is. Dude, this is a absolute honey hole. Wow. Wow. Another one. These things are freaking gorgeous, man. They're big too. Amigo, ¿qué pasó? Oh. What's up, Mr. Key? Another one. Oh boy, big one. Oh, big old snake. Look at that snake. Oh. Oh, we got a big one. We got a big one. Ha ha ha. Boy. Big boy. All right. I find they're a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper. Oh, pop the string. Wow. Wow. That was a big one. That was a big one. We're gonna take these and go put them in the ice chest. Cool, this thing is heavy. We got some in there. All right. Get some more. Big. Something's big. What we got? What do we have? What do we have? A puppy drum. Oh, look at that. We got a puppy drum. Oh, yes. Oh, check that out. Now, I don't think a puppy drum will survive in the pond. Oh, we got him. We got him. Come on in. Got him. All right. There he goes. Oh, we got him. Get him in. Oh, yes. Cool. Look how gorgeous this one is. This thing is gorgeous. Oh, we got a big one. Nice. Yes. Another one. Oh, we got him. Another one. Cool. Look how beautiful this thing is. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, what we got? We got a big one. This is a big one. This is a big one. Oh, yes. This is a big one. Oh, my God. Oh, we got a big one. We got a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look how big this. Oh. Broke off. Oh man, that was a big one. That was a big old puppy drum. What we got? What we got? Oh yes. It seems like when we catch a puppy drum right after we catch a perch. Man, when these things start flopping on the ground, these pokers, they freaking hurt like crazy. We got another one. Dude, this is so cool. Oh yes. We got one, another one. Dude, we are slamming them. We've been here maybe 30 minutes.